Chances are you've heard about Kajabi if you're in an online space and you have some either already digital downloads or courses, or you have an idea to create some. So let me tell you, now is the time to start with Kajabi. You have the chance to get the best price ever, which is only comes down to $33 a month for your first 3 months. So you may be thinking, okay, that's a great price, but I tried Kajabi before and it just wasn't cutting it. Maybe you tried it 3 years, 4 years ago and it wasn't doing, some things for you. Maybe you were not happy with some features. Well, let me tell you, Kajabi has evolved. It has grown. It has added so many features, including communities, digital downloads, which is actually unlimited, coaching, paywall for regular courses, podcasts, newsletters, you name it. It also has a lot of different website themes that you can just edit and customize with drag and drop features. You can even integrate SMS marketing tools seamlessly and send out text messages to your subscribers to promote your offers. Also, on top of it, for signing up, you will get special bonuses. On the flip side, you may have tried Kajabi before, so you have an account with Kajabi. However, this promotion may not be available for past users. So my biggest recommendation for you is to actually create a new account with a new email and you get the extra bonuses from me. Maybe you have some questions about Kajabi's specific features or just want to understand if Kajabi is really the right tool for you to start your online business or move your existing business to. So if you have specific questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'm happy to answer all of them. So if you are ready to dive in, to get started with your online course or community or just a digital product, or you just want to build an email list, this is your time and I am here to support you. And by the way, just for a side note, I have been using Kajabi for over 5 years now and probably served over 200 clients who are also using Kajabi. I help them with their website building, email marketing, funnel building, different automation configurations, and so much more. So if you are ready, this is your time. Click on the link below and let's get started.